So on our very first project we're going on a field trip and we're going to 5 places across the United States. We are going to, so it says here we need to change backgrounds to the map of the United States. Now, there is no map of the United States as a scratch background. So we are going to have to make our own. So I have given you some instructions on how to do this, but I'm going to show you right now how to do it in the video. So up here I have a link that says Photos to USA Maps. Now this is on a safe search site that is safe for kids to use. So I can look at these pictures. They have some here, and you can scroll down and get a few more. It might be better to get one that has the actual states on it, or maybe even the state names. You can kind of choose, but I'm gonna click this one, and it's going to, you can just download it and I can hit save, but I want to make sure that I hit desktop, so then I hit save. If there isn't a download button like that, then I could say view it on Pixby or wherever it's at, and there's another button here that says free download, or you could click on it and say right click or control click. I say control click or right click, and then I can say save image as. Then I come over here and I can rename it USA Map, and I want to change this to the desktop just so that I can easily find it, and then I hit save again. So now that I'm on my project, I can come over here on my scratch project, and I can come over here, and over here, do you see I already have my picture in here? But the way I got that is I came over here and I went to, this is my sprite, so I'm not going to use this one. This one is where the characters I'm coding. This is my background. So I'm going to click on my background and I'm going to click upload. Once I click upload, it's going to show up here. I'm going to change this to desktop if it doesn't say desktop, and then I can click on the picture of the map and I click open, and it will add the new background. So now it has the new background, and now this map may be a little different. I may need to recode on this, but this is how you would get that background. And then when I come over here to my code, I switch back on my character here, and the code that you use is under looks, and you would say at the very beginning, switch the backdrop to the whatever name that is. So I could say switch it to the US map, or switch it to the castle. And then there's also this button that says next backdrop. So either one of these would work. One other thing when you're doing backdrops, so if I came over here and I clicked on the backdrop, I can come to backdrops, and this one had a funny name. So instead of having a funny name, I'm going to say colorful USA map, so that helps me. So now when I want to start, and I'm in my code at the very beginning, I'm going to start at the castle, and then I would bring out it again that says switch backdrops, and then I could say switch it to the colorful US map. So now, and then when you put it in your code, it would switch to those different things. Okay, so this is just a short little tutorial on how you get your backdrops and how you can upload them yourself.